So in this video, I'm going to show you how I repurposed these exterior lights. I pulled these off a house we're renovating for work, and the owners didn't want them, and I tried to donate them to the restore, and they wouldn't take them either. But I figured I'd rather fix them up and get some use out of them instead of throwing them away. These don't seem like they were very expensive when they were new, but I do like the beveled edges on the glass, and I do like the metal frame. I'm removing the wall mount, and I removed the electrical connection inside, and I'm just putting all these screws in the little tub of soapy water to clean them up. Then I use the Dawn in my tub and scrub down everything. The whole process is pretty simple, just scrubbing it down and putting some new paint on it. I was glad to be able to keep these lanterns from going into the landfill and gave them a future use. The color I used is called Ivory Bisque. The name kind of reminds me of some time I spent in Maine where I ate some lobster bisque in some restaurants. It's pretty good. As you can see, it all just slides right back in together, and then I screw on the little nuts on the end, and that's it. I would recommend going to your local restore or Habitat for Humanity if you're looking for some fittings like this. You might be able to find some pretty cheap at a store like that.